Let me tell you something you already know. The world ain't all sunshine and rainbows. It's a very mean and nasty place, and I don't care how tough you are, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. You, me, or nobody is gonna hit as hard as life. But it ain't about how hard you hit. It's about how hard you can get hit and keep moving forward. How much you can take and keep moving forward. That's how winning is done. Now, if you know what you're worth, now go out and get what you're worth. But you gotta be willing to take the hits and not pointing fingers saying you ain't where you want to be because of him or her or anybody. Cowards do that, and that ain't you. You're better than that.
I'm cooking right now, it's time to level up. Get him stuck, all for them duckers, get his feathers plugged. Think he tough, tell him try his luck, leave him looking up. Hammer time, how we drillin' stuff, we gorillas, cuz on a mission, catch him lacking now, then we back him down. Left and right like Pacquiao, knock his lights out. Wrap him up, duct tape his mouth, ain't no yelling out. Blowing smoke, see what it's about, leave him leaking out. You a thug, now he begging us just to let him live. Assault this bitch, let us see the clip on some ratchet shit. About to disappear, it's a monster hit, cold hit, on that trapping shit, we got boulders here, never stop, hitting on me heavy, so I'm walking funny clip too, if I try then I'ma buck them down.